everyone. Welcome to our Parenthood, where we have conversations on principles and practical tips regarding parenting, marriage, and family life. I am Tammy.
And I'm Dennis. We are a family on a mission to see other families flourish.
Hi guys, welcome back to our Parenthood. So last week we were discussing about ineffective parenting styles. And as promised, this week we'll be talking about ano na? Hindi ko alam what you call
Yes.
that, no? So, what now? How do we parent? What is the best way? Is that the right question to ask?
Best way, most effective way, or
How do we now
some
parent
way.
our children?
Yeah. So sure naman tayo,
Or
there's
what are
not one
ways?
way.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Hindi to Jesus. One way.
Yes.
This is parenting.
So I think that's what we want to establish
Yeah.
first. I think we want to first remind everyone that we all have our family dynamics iba-iba. What works for some families might not work for other families, but there
Yeah.
are general principles, and this is what I love about. I want to call it biblical na parenting. You know, like hindi nga for me yung mga principles that we'll be talking about, it's not even yung basta parenting lang. Parang it's how we treat fellow human beings. Parang in general.
Yeah, right.
And I think that's what we want to, na there's no one way, it's not a formula, parenting is not 1 + 1 = 2. Kasi we're dealing with human beings.
So 1 + 1 equals?
Whatever, joke lang.
Are you saying 4?
Mali yung
Alam ko.
illustration ko.
Yeah,
Pero
yeah.
pakiayos.
Hindi, kung ano nga yung philosophy mo when it comes to that. Di ba nung mas nag-aral ka, doon mo nakita na I can't be too militaristic on one. I can't be like too dogmatic on certain styles. Because there will be different styles.
Yeah, it's not a formula. We want to be reminded that our children are humans with their own free will, personality, na unique sila, and parents unique din. But there are principles that if we follow, sound principles na I really believe na kasi tayo established na natin muna. Na our worldview and where we're coming from, it's really a biblical worldview.
Yeah.
So, yeah, ikaw na.
Yeah, biblical worldview siya or biblical perspective siya. We're not saying we'll follow them like the Old Testament times. Pero yung sabi sa Bible yung get the spirit of the law and not just the letter of the law. No? Of course, there will be letter of the law. Ibig sabihin, ito talaga dapat gawin natin. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Pero marami dyan, spirit of the law. Ano ba yung principle behind it? Di ba?
Yeah, so that's what you want.
Yeah.
And I think throughout the years, sobrang dami ng sumulpot na parenting styles. So many, you can call them so many different ways. Tapos parang nag-iiba-iba lang. Parang, ewan ko, for branding sake or whatever, they really call it so many different things.
Yeah.
And they're all nice. There are, lahat parang may okay, meron ding parang, ox lang, not really something I really totally buy, but there are some good in those styles. I wanted to, 'di ba? Bakit ba nagkaroon ng ganon? Bakit ba ang daming different styles na lumalabas at nagsisilabasan pa? And I think it's because
It
Take it
could
away.
be a reaction.
Yun.
It's a reaction to certain parenting styles na may excesses. So ngayon, parang gusto nilang ilagay sa kabilang side. So dahil sa mga reaction nga, then you have another style. And then, magkakaroon ng
Ayoko to, ganun.
certain data that they get after a few years, this does not work. So we'll move to another style. That's why you go back to principles of
Yes,
parenting that
yes.
works. No?
So, yun pala yung gusto nating sabihin. Wala namang one style that you can say na this is it. Kasi unang-una, we are human beings. We have different personalities.
Culture,
we have
background,
different
lahat.
cultures. We have different dynamics. We have different backgrounds, contexts. So, to say that there's just one parenting style that would work for everyone, I think that's doing ourselves a disservice.
Right.
Parang shortcut mo, hindi naman ganon. That's not how life works. But there are principles, and what I love about biblical principles have stood the test of time. Kung meron mang isa that I know, yung throughout the years, throughout history, kahit anong sabihin mong, parang backed up by ganon, by data, yun nga, parang kung titingnan mo, ano talaga siya? Parang, ay, grabe, design talaga ni Lord. Kasi siya nag-create sa atin. So, we want to go
Yeah.
back to the author of families in the first place. So, yan. Ano ba
Okay,
yung
so
principles?
di ba last week, diniscuss natin yung helicopter, Beshi, at saka drill sergeant style of parenting. And most of them would have implications on how our kids would grow up. Technically, we're shielding them away from the consequences or failure. So, hindi sila natututo. And so, they end up not maturing at the time that they should mature. Right? So now, what we want to do, kasi siguro sa atin din na feel natin, si Aliana magka-college na, si Isaiah nagbibinata na, si Mika ganun din, dalaga na.
yet.
Di ba? Sila Liam at saka si Hannah na lang medyo baby pa.
Ito namang isa, dapat
Actually,
medyo
hindi na
lumaki,
nga
pero
baby eh. Oo.
baby pa din. Dapat nga, hindi na siya ganun ka-baby,
Yeah.
pero feeling niya baby pa siya.
So, nasa different season na tayo ng parenting din natin. And yung isa na observe ko, nagiging ano sila eh, mas nagiging abstract ng thinking nila. Hindi na concrete na ganito lang. Di ba yung kay Hana, bago dapat ito gawin mo, ito gawin mo. Ngayon, mas matanda na sila, may certain level of kailangan i-explain mo, saan ka nanggagaling, anong point of view mo, and that's an adjustment on our part. Di ba? And I think it's a very good way for parents to be aware. We have to be very aware na we also have to adjust our styles.
Yeah. And it will be helpful to know ano yung mga developmentally appropriate.
Yeah.
Yung this is what's expected of a little child, for example,
Yeah.
like a 2-year-old, this is what's expected of a 2-year-old. Kasi minsan naman, and dati para I made this mistake, or we both did, yung 1-year-old pa lang, 2 years old, pero pag maka-explain ka, kala mo 12, 13 yung kausap. So sila parang, o minsan naman 13 na, pero kung maka-explain ka at
Parang 6
maka-demand
years
ka,
old, 7
parang,
years old.
oo, or 3 pa lang sila. So I think knowing and understanding the level that our children are in would also help in
Yeah.
how we deal with them, we talk to them, we treat them.
Yeah, we're at that point na mas marami na tayong coaching conversation sa kanila as parents. No na, ikaw, pag-isipan mo to. Kasi if you choose this path, this could be where you'll go. But you decide. You hear from God, you wrestle with the Lord, you pray about it, and then talk to us about it. Diba? So, whether it's mga friends nila, relationships, even their outlook in life, we're letting them now think and sometimes even letting them fail.
This is with their girls.
Yeah,
And
with the girls.
slowly starting with
Yeah.
Isaiah, right?
Yes. Kasi, ano na to eh, we're teaching them responsibilities already na much bigger than when he was 6 or 7 years old.
So how do you apply that? Like, kasi kay our smaller ones,
Ikaw magaling dyan. Ikaw nag-ano eh.
hindi nga over nga ako mag-explain, di ba? Kahit na parang
Ako
bata
nga,
pa.
under ako mag-explain.
So that's why we balance each other.
Yeah, oo.
Yung sasabihin niya minsan, yung haba na explanation ko, tapos sabihin niya, pupunta siya sa likod. Tama na. Okay, tama na. Okay na yan. Diba? Or
Yeah.
ako naman minsan yung, sa kanya, nakaano na siya, okay na yan. Tapos ako naman yung, yes, more.
Okay. Yung mga nasa
more,
podcast,
please.
di nila alam anong ginagawa natin.
Ay,
That's
oo.
why we encourage them
Oo
to go
pala.
to our YouTube channel.
Oh, that's
Kasi ang
right.
dami mong acting eh.
Okay, basta yung,
Yeah, like
yung
he
giving
puts his hands on the neck and then slice.
Like, yeah,
that.
kill it.
Kill it. Okay, yeah. So,
Or, more please, yung mga gestures na ganon.
yeah.
Like, care to expound, ganon.
Yeah, ang
mga
nakikita ko
gestures.
ngayon kasi parang we're like guides now for our 16 and 18-year-old. Parang, guide ka namin. Gusto mo opinion namin? We'll tell you. Even if ayaw mo yung opinion namin, there are certain choices that you're making. Here's where I'm coming from and let's discuss it. So we're having now more conversations with them. Diba? Yeah.
Pero hindi mo yata sinagot yung
Ano?
yung tanong na, so ano nga, ano yung style? Hindi nga style. How do we now, like
Hindi, kaya ko
generally,
sinasabi, parang coaching na.
but this is for older ones, right?
Older
How
ones,
do you
yeah.
apply, siguro thinking, kung, ano ba tanong ko sa'yo? Parang, kung general, like, all across anong age, ano yung okay?
Ano nga? Hindi ko alam.
Hindi nga tinatanong akin.
Hindi
Huwag mo
ko
mabasa
rin
sa akin.
alam.
Tuwing may tanong ako kasi binabasa mo sa akin.
Hindi, yung siguro, yung on our family, ginagawa natin, nag-introduce tayo ng mga concepts. And depende sa age, pagiging age appropriate nila. But here's a concept, a value that we want for our family. Then it's explained through the years until they get it.
O siguro ang tanong ko kasi nga, parenting principles.
Oo.
So what are key principles to keep in mind? Like as you parent. Example, coaching. Ano yung ano niyan? Okay. Coaching means you learn to ask good questions.
Yeah.
You learn to see where they're coming from then. Diba? So, ang tawag mo doon sa mga ganon?
Anong tawag mo sa
Okay.
mga
Ang
ganun?
dami kasi, ang daming mga tawag sa ano. Kaya lang ayoko nga ng may...
Ikaw ang certified coach, ako
Hindi,
certified
wala tong
pogi lang.
kinalaman doon. Ang kinalaman doon.
No,
Pero,
yung mga terms na gusto mo, hindi ko alam.
hindi,
What?
hindi, wala akong terms. Gusto ko
Yeah.
lang do i-bring to light yung mga common terms that we might hear. Ang dami kasi, it can be responsive parenting, which is good, right? Like, you respond to the needs of your kids, and then you attune to their needs. Tingnan mo yung behavior nila, tapos tingnan mo, ano ba yung itong behavior na to, whether that's a difficult behavior or that's a helpful behavior, what is the underlying message that our children want to communicate? Ano yung need nila? So, may ganon. Ang daming ganon nga eh. Kaya lang,
Yeah.
again, ayoko nga na ganon. Kasi minsan, anong need mo? Na, masyado namang, minsan na-over lang. So, may ganon pa rin ako yun, na yung balance lang. So, there's that, which is good. There's intentional parenting, right? Like being
Dami namang
intentional,
terms.
being
Di ba parenting lang lahat
being
yan?
there for, yun nga, gusto ko lang ano, kasi ang dami talaga. Like,
Yeah.
super dami, i-hashtag mo lang on parenting. Sobrang dami lumalabas. There's gentle parenting, there's positive parenting,
May
there's
negative parenting ba?
hindi natin na-check. Baka ineffective
Hindi
yun.
ba si Chinkitan yung
Yan.
positive parenting?
Sabi ko sa'yo mag-cue ka kung mag-joke ka para may warning ako sa reaction ko. Kaya ano pa ba? Attachment parenting. Sobrang dami talaga. And there are really good principles.
Yeah.
But gusto ko nga kunin natin yung principles na okay, but then at the same time not think that there's this one brand of parenting that will work for everyone. Pero gusto ko yun.
Hindi
Gusto,
ba for us, dapat discipleship lang talaga yun? We
which
disciple our kids.
means, we disciple our kids, which means...
Relational. It's a highly relational way of connecting with our kids.
Which means, yan. Gusto
Yeah.
ko yan, ano na yan, yung word yan, we connect with them.
Yung framework natin. Di ba? You're safe, you're loved no matter what.
Hindi pa nila alam yun.
Hindi,
Sa
ibig
next
sabihin,
pa yun.
sa mga next
So,
yan. Actually, kung gusto niyo ng coaching session, kunin niyo si Tammy for that. I think it's a very nice framework.
Solid.
Nag-guide tayo na we're creating a loving environment for them. So, mas vulnerable sila. Kasi they feel safe. Yet at the same time, we're telling them, you are responsible, you're capable, you're called by God. So, I'll create that winning environment for you so that you can achieve what you want to do. We do this not only for our kids, diba? I do it with the people I work with. You do it with the moms that you coach. You're creating those environments for them kasi that's how we should live our life. Na may flourishing talagang mangyayari, di ba?
parang hindi siya separate compartment na kung nag-iibang anyo ako
Yeah.
and I
Right.
shape shift. Now I'm a parent, this is how
Or I'm a parent coach now.
Yeah.
Hindi eh. It's a way of life.
You know what's interesting?
What?
There's this developmental psychologist na sabi, interesting. Sabi niya, before, if you look at history, hindi naman, ano siya, ngayon, in the recent years lang, na tinawag siyang parenting. Yung naging verb siya. Before, it was really
Hindi ba verb siya,
Role-
noun?
role siya na I'm a
role.
parent. So it's a way of life. It's hindi siya
Yeah.
parang yun nga yung ngayon kasi naging set of to-dos siya na this is how you should. Parang naging
Yeah.
how-to siya, naging ganun siya. Pero as we grow then parang basta in the
Yeah.
hindi ko ma-explain basta ang ganda nung ano niya kasi parang sa kanya it's in the context of relationship. This is your
Right.
role in the context of a relationship. So hindi siya yung puro
Yeah.
checklist na do kasi nga human beings tayo. So it's more of how do we grow as parents in the context of the parent-child relationship
Tama.
na role. Hindi ko alam kung may kinalaman siya sinabi mo.
Hindi,
Naisip
tama.
ko lang
Kasi,
siya.
kaya ayaw ko, feeling ko talaga, we're with the new way of parenting. It's like, you're forcing me to choose a side. I don't want to be labeled as intentional parenting or this kind of parenting or this kind of parenting.
But I want to be intentional.
But I want to
Right?
I want to parent well.
Yeah.
Period.
Yeah.
Don't box me at kasi pagka may school of thought ka na ganito lang talaga, may pros and cons lahat yan eh. So ngayon, nababox ko sa pros and cons niyan kasi naging adamant ka or dogmatic ka about a parenting style.
Yeah, and it becomes polarizing because what I find
And that's what happens, di ba?
if you embrace a certain dogma, tawag mo doon, di ba? Yung
Yeah,
tinatawag mo.
parang ganun.
a
No,
certain-
ginagawang dogma when it shouldn't be.
Okay, and minsan yung, okay, ganito kasi akong parent eh.
Mm.
There's parang nagiging judgment attached to it in a way na this is what I feel is good parenting.
Mm-hmm.
Therefore, if you do not do this, then it's not that good. Parang
Yeah.
ganon yung dating minsan. So without us intention, like,
Yeah.
that's not the intention, but somehow, ganun yung lumalabas. And so now there's this whole thing pa na, ganito ka ba? Is this what you do?
Ganda podcast yan ha, The Politics of Motherhood.
Oh, kaya nakakapagod.
Pero dapat hindi ikaw yung ano natin doon. Okay.
Yes.
Kasi wala kang ayaw mo na
I just
ganun.
want
Yeah.
harmony.
Yeah.
Harmony, let's all help each other. Parent
Anyway,
well.
let's give examples sa family natin of the way we try to do it. 'Di ba? Like si
Sige,
Eliana
ikaw
yan.
magaling
Hindi,
sa examples.
ikaw paano mo pinoses si Eliana sa college course niya?
Wrestle mo
college
kay
siya.
Lord. Ganyan.
Right. 'Di
I
ba
think
may
I was-
choice siya eh. May two good
Very good choices siya.
well, good ba? Anyway, they're two good choices.
Yeah,
May
good
bias. May bias, pero
Well, I was very careful
Yeah.
not to... Kasi yung, syempre, yung isang good.
ako I was careful
Doon ako
to show my
galing,
bias. Eh.
Ganyan. hindi ka kaya careful.
Intentional parenting kasi ako, may intention talaga ako na
Kung saan yung bias mo.
kung saan yung bias ko.
Ako siguro careful ako kasi I know. So there's that, it's a fine balance din, di ba? And at the same time, as parents, we want to guide them, but not dictate
Right.
upon them what we want them to, kasi path nila yan eh.
Right.
And we want, I think, like kanina lang, di ba? Wait lang, ano nga ba decision mo? Kasi I don't want her to end up saying, you want me to ganyan,
Yeah.
so this is what,
Yeah.
This
to,
is what
to
I'll
clear din naman
choose.
my side, baka na maakala nila, fino-force ko. Ako, whatever she chooses, I'm okay with it. Siyempre, meron akong bias na gusto ko sana to, pero doesn't matter naman talaga. Kung kunin niya yung isa sa isa. Yeah. May matter lang sa wallet kung saan siya pupunta, pero, you know,
yun lang yung bias mo.
ayun lang yung bias ko.
Yung ganun
It's
lang
an economic
kasimple.
bias
Ganun
for
lang
me
kasimple
more than
for him.
anything else.
Yeah.
Yeah, but any which way, I feel like Aliana will be a success as we create that environment for her.
Yeah, siguro I'm just careful because I know like okay, let's help process what are the pros and cons, kung ano man yung options. At the same time, aware ako na weighty yung words that we say.
Yeah.
So without us meaning to, alam ko our daughter is very because she wants nga din what would please us, kanya, but at the same time she has her own mind. So yung words lang na ginagamit and yung facial expression, yung gano'n na
Yan ang hindi natin matatago.
yung we want to as much as possible be careful lang
Right.
na as we say our thoughts, give our thoughts. It's not like sabihin natin minsan kasi oy whatever you choose pero alam mo namang hindi ka masaya kung ito yung
Yeah.
pinili niya or alam mo mas masaya ako kung ito yung pinili
Right.
niya. So may ganun lang. Hindi ko alam kung nasagot ko yung tanong mo. Ayun naman ako.
Ako may conversation ako with one of her kids, di ko na sabihin sino, about choice of music. And not that I want to dictate on her or him or they. Wow, may gender, no? Okay,
Hindi.
anyway.
Muntik na kasing maano, no?
Oo. Wala akong sinasabi. Pero, parang sinasabi ko lang, ngayong alam mo na aware ka of certain lyrics, this musician is, and philosophy, this musician is espousing. What do you think about it? Yeah. So, nag-decide kami, I won't force you not to listen or to listen. But, in front of me, in front of other siblings, don't play that music. But, I want you to wrestle with the Lord. And maganda yung effect. Kasi yung effect, hindi ko siya kinontrol, hindi
They
ako
own
naghilikop.
their decision.
Yeah. Kung
Yeah.
i-convict ka ni Lord, convict ka ni Lord. Pag hindi ka pa kino-convict ni Lord, antay ako na ma-convict ka ni Lord kasi nakaka-convict naman talaga. Pero hindi ko
important
sinabi sa
siguro,
kanya.
like,
Yeah.
what we know, ibang usapan if it's a matter of right and wrong.
Yeah.
For me, we set that boundary. This is
Right.
right, this is wrong. And there's no, clear siya. But there are things also na hindi siya right or wrong. It's more wisdom issue.
Yeah.
So may ibang ganun din. That's a
Right.
different way of conversing
Yeah.
also with
Eh,
them.
that's a problem with music. There are songs that are dangerous, yet there are certain songs from the same musician na okay naman. So kaya para sa kanya, but it's like this, like that. Sabi ko, well, you weigh it because again, sabi ko nga, music shapes philosophies and culture more than preaching actually. Art has defined many of us through the music that we hear. So ikaw, pag-isipan mo mabuti how you'll go about it, di ba? And alam ko it's a hard conversation to enter into with that kid, pero
Harder nga if it's not blatant right or wrong.
mm.
Parang feeling ko mas madali kung, kasi wrong yan, no question na.
Hindi, actually wrong naman yung
Parang-
certain, but it's like half or
Hindi.
60% of the music is wrong, but the 40% is not.
Binabalik ko sa usapan like yung choice of college, for example.
Ayan,
Two good
ayan,
choices,
mahirap yan.
diba? Which
Oo.
is, it's really hindi naman siya right or wrong. They're both okay choices.
Yeah.
It's now learning to
It's just
just
the other school is
decide.
better than the other
Ay,
school.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, abangan.
Meron din tayo sa isang anak natin, we teach them responsibility. Pero alam niya yung sasabihin, alam niya yung mindset, right mindset, ganyan. Pero, it's not being shown in your action. So, ang hirap din na i-coach mo siya through some things or letting that person fail and say, di ba, nandun
And
na
that's
tayo.
hard for
And it's
a
hard for
parent
both of us.
to just,
Na,
okay,
kung
wait
babagsak
and
ka,
see. Yes, that's very
Kung
hard.
hindi ka pumasa sa entrance, well,
So, feeling ko, a lot of our parenting decisions, it's an issue of us wanting to control outcomes. Feeling
Yeah.
ko. Like, safer we want what's best for them or what we think is best for them. So, a lot of our decisions really, parang dahil, kung pwede lang sana, kasi we have the foresight, yung nakita na natin, ito lang simple lang if only we can control outcomes,
Yeah.
if only we can guarantee success, if only you follow, then ganito na. But at the
Yeah.
same time, a lot of the learning that really happens, if we want them to embrace and
Yeah.
and own the learning, let's not miss out or
Yeah.
shortchange them by dictating for them.
Right.
Kasi a lot of it is really learning opportunities for them.
yeah.
If we allow them to make mistakes, if we see mistakes not as a bad thing, but a learning opportunity.
Well, tanong ko sa'yo, kasi even sin, sabihin na natin, blatant sin. Sabihin ko as a parent.
Ayoko sagutin yan.
Hindi sabihin ko sa parent, wag, sin na yan. Choice pa rin niya kung gagawin niya yun. Hindi ko naman na siya mahinto, kung, lalo na adult, naging teenager na yan.
But as parents, I feel like we have this responsibility.
Oh yeah, I tell,
To
this
say
is my
something.
boundary, it's not gonna happen in my house. It's a choice that you have to make. You wrestle with the Lord with that. Pero ako, I feel like, even with sin, even as we counsel a lot of parents, some kids, they just have to, alam mo yun, paano ba sa English yun? They need to hit the wall. They need to hit the head in the wall. Mauntog yung ulo nila sa ano. di ba?
Poke their
Parang-
head.
Yeah. Parang, sometimes that's the only lesson. Sana hindi. Di ba yung lagi sa experience is not the best teacher. Learning from other people's experience is the best teacher. But sometimes, even the best teacher cannot get to their heart. So, the experience. will
Ano?
be- Yung alam mo yung kailangan
Pakiulit.
nilang madapa.
Pakiulit.
Kasi experience is not the best teacher. Learning from other people's experience is the best teacher. Huwag ka magda-drugs. Kasi
You don't
ganito.
need to experience
Yeah,
it
you don't
to-
have to experience it.
to learn na,
Yeah,
ano.
but some people, yeah. Tapos the drugs pa rin sila. Hanggang kailangan mauntog. Mawala pera, masira ang the next 5 years of their life. But if that's a lesson that they have to learn, Or hindi ka nag-aral, bumagsak ka, nag-repeat ka. It's a lesson you have to learn.
So, my prayer is,
And
minsan kasi hard,
yeah.
hard lang yung heart din, minsan.
Yeah.
Or hard yung head. Yan. So, sana mas malambot.
Kaya di ba yun yung prayer ko lagi? Lord, na makarinig sila sa'yo. At pag narinig ka nila, they will obey you. They
Pero
don't
at the
just
end of the
hear.
day, I think it's the relationship
Yeah.
that is really the key factor. Kasi yan, like, pwedeng mauntog talaga sila, pero may babalik, alam ba nila na pag nauntog sila, you can be their first call.
Yeah. Yeah.
Na they can run to you, they can
Yeah.
go back na,
And I think that's what we want, the environment that you're still safe with me and I love you no matter what. So if you fail, we're here. We'll help you.
yes,
We'll
we
bounce
don't,
back from this.
we will not rescue you from the consequences,
Yeah.
but as you go through the consequence of your choice, we're here with you
Yeah.
and for you.
Yan yung sinasabi nilang slow is fast. Slow is SLO.
Ano yan?
Significant learning opportunities.
Ano
Failure.
yung W?
Slow. Slow is fast.
Okay.
Yeah, slow is fast. Rather than i-rescue mo sila kasi mas madali. No. The significant learning opportunities they have.
Don't rob them of
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Magka-red sa card. Go. Hindi nag-aral eh. Anong gagawin ko? Kung homeschool ka, di ba? Tataas ako na lang yung grade. Significant learning opportunity nila yan. Nakailang sabi ka, hindi anak natin ha. Pero pag nakailang sabi ka, mag-aral ka, hindi nag-obey, bumagsak talaga. Talagang bagsak siya. Pero pag i-rescue mo siya doon, gets to another level, it's harder for him or her, and then mag-struggle sila sa school, and then they'll have more failures when they're out of your homeschool supervision. Di ba? Or mag-entrance exam din sila later on.
So eventually, they will still need to learn the
Yeah, it will
lesson.
catch up with you eh,
Yeah.
di ba? So, ganun pa rin. Lahat ng decision mo, friendship decision mo, maling barkada, kahit anong sabi mo, wag, please don't. Nandiyan ka ba? Di ba? Hindi ka naman helicopter parent na babantayin mo siya sa school. So, slow is fast. It's a significant learning opportunity. Let's not rob them of that. But always be a guide, prayer pa rin, clear values pa rin that we're communicating to our kids. But we can never control their destiny.
And I think what helps me is the reminder, it's not about me. Minsan kasi parang I want to rescue them kasi ang bilis yung, what will that say about me as a parent? Hindi kita pinalaking ganyan.
Yeah.
Di ba yung parang ano na lang sasabihin ng mga
Pero
tao?
issue mo na yan, di ba?
Yes, hindi na nila issue yun, issue ko na. So it's not about me. As we parent our children, it's not about, we parent them not to make us look good. Not to, alam mo yun, minsan kasi nga, we try
Yeah.
to control outcomes, not to, dahil takot tayo. And it's our fear that we're trying to calm
Yeah.
and to satisfy na
Tama.
parang, okay, para control ko
Tama.
yan, para hindi ko katatakutan yung
Yeah.
area na yan.
English mo lang. So you won't be fearful about it.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Yan.
So,
So
yeah.
yun.
Galing.
One thing to, I think that's, as we think through how we parent our children.
What's happening in me?
Yes. What's going on in me. 'Cause
What's
it's
going
not
on in
about
you.
Me. It's,
Before your kids, ikaw muna.
yeah.
Yeah. Ang ganda nito. Punong-puno tong episode natin. And I think we want to hear also your experiences. Baka meron kayong pinagdadaanan na ganito. Please, talk to us, message us on YouTube, IG, Facebook. Tell us your story. We'd like to hear your story. Baka ma-feature pa namin yung kwento mo.
Yeah.
And
Or
then,
if you have questions that you want to just discuss.
Yeah.
Baka wala kaming
ipoprocess
answer.
lang natin.
Pero,
Uh-huh.
yeah. Pero wala lang. For processing conversation.
Right.
Because we also want to know where you are. Like, where are you guys in your parenting journey? How can we have more conversations that can help you also
Yeah.
where you are?
Alright, so ganda. Again, if you guys have been watching this or hindi pa kayo subscribe sa ating Spotify channel kasi bagong Spotify channel na to. Bago ding YouTube channel na to. The older one, it's just there. You can go visit our old episode. But this one is in a new platform. Again, we'd like to thank our sponsor, Spark Connection Films, for helping us out spread the idea, this conversation on marriage, parenting, and family because we want to see families flourish So, thank you so much for those of you who are listening. Please share nyo to sa mga friends nyo. I think this would help a lot to carry on that conversation that we're having.
Alright. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time. Catch us again next week.
All right, God bless you.